I'm here with Greg, Chief Product Officer from Workai. We are having an interview for Interloaded London from home. Hello, Greg, once more.
Hi there. Thank you for having me.
And thanks for taking part and taking your time. We have several questions to you regarding development of internal communications and your product as well. So first of all, please describe your position and your role at Workai.
Right, I'm basically Chief Product Officer, what means that I'm responsible for product development, for finding new ways of answering challenges and questions of our customers and also the market. So according to clients' needs and newest trends in terms of employee experience and the way people use technology. So my role is to develop the product, is to guide our team to provide the best product possible for different companies around the world in the need of improving telecommunication knowledge management, employee engagement, and the overall employee experience.
Okay, thank you. We are having a huge shift towards digital collaboration tools because employees are working more rapidly and we are having more and more updates. So what are your suggestions for the companies to support their employees during this digital transformation?
Yeah, so there are so many tools and apps on the market, and I think the main goal is to use those which actually support employees with the daily processes and tasks. The transformation itself should start with employees and the way a company empowers them to grow. So it's not like tools should influence company and employees. So tools should be an answer to their needs. So companies should put main focus on usability, ease of use, making processes easier with new tools rather than introducing complicated systems with long and complex workflows. So change management is as important as the reason of introducing those collaboration tools, those changes. So companies need to actually create the process of introducing those new ways of working rather than just throwing different systems at employees and just start using them.
And as you were talking about the tools, which tools and technologies are substantial to run an effective digital business collaboration from your point of view?
Well, we use pretty advanced technologies like AI, mobile, cloud, IoT every day without even noticing that. Using web search, social apps, mobile banking, and more, just everyday apps we use on our phones and our computers. So we here at Workai introduce those technologies to companies around the world to actually automate processes, deliver hyper-personalized content, to measure employees' interactions and provide the best digital employee experience. So I think that this is a kind of technology which is now essential to answer growing need of and growing demand for instant access to personalized information on the go. So basically, all of things we see every day in our daily life could be used and should be used for internal communication, for internal processes inside a company. So more personalized content, more automated processes using cognitive algorithms and the power of cloud and AI.
Okay, thank you very much. Now we are living in a strange times, in the times of pandemic, where like 70% of the employees do home office, and the shift happened like from one day to another. So what did you what would you say, how did the current crisis affect the way you collaborate with your employees and in your business?
So we've been a remote friendly company since the beginning, since we started business actually. because we have employees around the country and from abroad. So the transformation to work from home went seamlessly for us. The only thing which has changed is that we don't visit our clients on site. We just more frequent online meetings to run our projects seamlessly, and yeah, that's how it works now. And I think it's if you plan those kind of activities before the crisis or before you have to do them, you are prepared for anything.
Yeah, that's really true. And you mentioned that you don't go on site to meet your clients, but how would you describe the new normal considering the needs of your clients? Is there any shift to be seen or maybe expected?
I think that the new normal is hybrid, actually. So it requires the full control of our digital assets of a company to track, to measure, improve, and provide employees experience based on engagement, their behavior, and constant feedback. So it's crucial to keep employees informed, actually, connected, engaged, and measure the impact of all those activities to act faster in this new, very diverse work environment. So this is the new normal. This is the thing that companies need to adapt, need to provide the best experience for employees, and at the end of the day, know how it went, know about all the employees' feedback, activities, interactions to improve, to provide the feedback loop to be better with every day, because it's hard time for employees to just shift without any support from company, from tools they provide and processes.
Thank you. Looking into the future, what topics and trends do you see particularly important regarding your remote teams, and what is an expected development in that sense?
Well, we use our own tools at work, so yeah, it's quite easy to predict what would be developed in the next 12 months. But yeah, we'll continue to innovate inside in terms of processes, but also software to answer our own needs, our own growing team and different branches, but also the needs of transforming global workplace, because it's one global workplace of different companies working together, running their own businesses. So yeah, I think more innovations and more things that were previously not tried too much, which is good, because now we can actually shift faster or transform faster than before, because now we have the urgent need of transformation.
That's true. If we go back to your clients' requirements and needs, which problem areas in the context of digital collaboration do you regard as particularly critical today?
Yeah, so building our product, building Workai, we always work closely with our customers from various industries and sizes, from small companies of 50 or 100 people to large multi-regional enterprises of tens of thousands of employees working remotely or hybrid way. This helps us to actually learn about the most critical challenges and the needs of those employees of those companies, different industries. So it's definitely an easy access to companies' knowledge, the ability to find all the needed information on the go instantly without asking everyone around, because you don't have anyone around. You just have the access to companies' assets. So as the pace of work accelerates even faster now, so it's more important than before than ever to tap into collective knowledge of a company, to capture people's knowledge as they get work done as they do their daily tasks. And of course, I think automation of repeating tasks of workflows which are done manually now but can be automated, while supporting decision makers and people responsible for decisions with relevant and contextual information. So that's very critical from my point of view, from point of view of our customers, to have personalized instant access to information, because information is key now. The data, the data they can analyze, the data they can provide, and is the most crucial asset.
Okay, that's very interesting and insightful. And the last question would be, which topics are particularly important in the context of the event Internet Reloaded London from Home, and what would you say are the most important trends that would be discussed on the conference?
Yeah, so as now we talk about remote work and transformation, that's the main point. But for me, it's the main, as we work in employee experience area, the most is important to know and to learn about insights from other companies introducing the new strategy for employee experience, because for a long time this term wasn't too popular between companies, but now employee experience is critical. I mean, just like we take care of customer experience, of the whole journey of a customer, we should take care of employee experience, the journey of an employee inside a company. So that's my goal for the event, to learn about insights of different companies introducing this kind of approach, but also as a guy who will also talk to people. For me, the form of virtual event is even more challenging. Yeah, we can get easily distracted in front of our screens, in front of being at home. Yeah, so it's essential to provide an interactive way of telling the story and providing the information in engaging way. So yeah, that's very interesting.
Yeah, I really hope everything will be as you expect, and you're gonna get a valuable contacts from the event and chance to network even virtually with them. Thank you very much for your answers. It was really interesting, and hope to see you virtually in a couple of days.
Yeah, hoping to see you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.